you have to stand on the west side.
Stand on the west side, alright.
Be out here. It's the windy side. It's the side with the view, too. One Rincon stalling.
One Rincon stalling?
Yeah, so is the Golden Gate. Golden Gate 770 something. Can't remember. I've been up there for a bunch of times.
What else have you felt?
All the bridges around here.
Fantastic.
Retro.
Ah, there you go.
Right over there. You can stand on that side over there.
Follow you? No. I thought he said follow that gentleman over there.
But don't go up the stairs.
Okay, yeah, so I just wanted to try to stop it before we got too far. So no going up the stairs, you can stand over here. We'll watch the crane going overhead, of course. But just no climbing out to where he's just at. But you can go out on the platform. So, okay, go ahead.
Cool.
I can go out here.
Oh, look, where's he going? Okay, you're okay. Go ahead, dear. Sorry.